When you look at the mechanics of this channel, you see a system currently surviving on an artificial life support system. It is a machine designed for flight, but its power source is entirely synthetic. This chart shows the current reality. 69% of all traffic is driven by YouTube advertising. This brute force injection of capital keeps the view count stable, hovering between 990 and 1,300 per upload. Buying attention creates a predictable baseline, but it also creates a gilded cage. Because the views are paid for rather than earned through discovery, the channel is prevented from developing a self-sustaining ecosystem. The result is the appearance of momentum without the actual substance of growth. The foundational metrics are effectively subsidized, masking a system that remains stagnant beneath the surface. The reason the system stalled is a categorical mismatch. While the videos focus on high-level technical philosophy and engineering, the channel was indexed under the lifestyle category. The algorithm was essentially trying to show deep tech analysis to audiences looking for casual daily vlogs. This created a bottleneck that made organic distribution nearly impossible. But look at the data from the last 7 days. Despite that bottleneck, the channel saw a surge of 15,700 views and gained over 3,200 new subscribers. This spike shows that the technical content is finally reaching its intended audience, creating enough pressure to break through the categorical limitations of the lifestyle tag. To lean into this momentum, the channel has been manually extracted from the lifestyle category and moved into the science and technology SEO framework. This changes how the algorithm processes the content. It stops testing the videos on passive viewers looking for low-effort entertainment. Instead, the videos are now indexed for high-intent technical search. The channel is now competing for an audience that is looking for specific, high-sophistication information. By aligning the back-end metadata with the actual density of the content, the channel is now visible to the specific users actively searching for these topics. Changing the category tag fundamentally adjusted the channel's search placement. It transitioned the videos from an index of casual consumption to one of technical authority. This dashboard highlights the behavioral reaction of this new audience. For one of the latest technical videos, 990 likes were matched by 804 shares. In most digital ecosystems, likes far outnumber shares. A share-to-like ratio that is nearly 1-to-1 is highly irregular for a standard video. This data suggests that the audience isn't just consuming the content. They are treating the videos as intelligence to be distributed into their own professional and developer networks. This level of share velocity indicates that the viewers find the content useful enough to use as a technical resource within their own circles. To capitalize on this, the channel is moving through a 3-phase plan to flip the traffic distribution. We call this the inversion protocol. Phase 1 is stabilization. Paid advertising drops to 50%, while technical content is seeded into developer forums for external discovery. In Phase 2, the actual inversion happens. Ad spend is cut to 30%, allowing organic external traffic to become the primary driver. Moving through this phase carries risk. Intentionally pulling back on guaranteed views can cause a temporary dip in total reach, while new traffic nodes stabilize. However, reducing the artificial traffic is necessary. It forces the system to rely on the organic search and share behavior that has already begun to appear in the metrics. The endgame is Phase 3. Reliance on paid advertising drops below 10%. With the categorical alignment finally corrected and the transition to organic traffic underway, the channel's actual growth is now driven by its own utility.